Hello, this is Shia. I'm going to try to do one more with you before I head off to work this morning, and then I'll do the others a little bit later on in the day. So question 2, when I read this question, I think that what they're getting at, again, is the idea from the last video where your confidence interval is always your mean, your x bar plus your error, and your x bar minus your error, okay? And so the range of your confidence interval in this case, because it's a 95% confidence interval, is the 95%. Okay, so 95% of your data should fall in that range. If you want to make a confidence interval with a larger margin of error based on the same sample data, then you would use a larger confidence interval. So you would use like 99%, and then you are including everything that is in a 99% range of your mean, and that would make a wider confidence, a wider confidence interval with a larger width. And so I think that what they want there is for you to choose B, which is to use a larger confidence level to make a wider range.